Hello, good morning, my friends. This is Misty with A Unique Treasure, and I'm coming today because we are going to celebrate the fact that I got 600 subbies. Yay! I'm sorry about my voice. I have a cold, and I'm actually at the tail end of it, I think. I've had it for a while, and I know that this thing can go on, but I just wanted to explain. Uh, If I cough, I can't edit it out. I'm sorry. So, anyways, I want to get back to this. This is a huge thing to me. Every person counts. They've stuck with me. They didn't get purged from me. They didn't go away after my last giveaway. And I'm really super grateful and thankful. I really am. So I have a big giveaway coming and I'm working on my 1,000. I know 600 to 1,000 is a big jump. But between now and then, I'm going to commit to a small giveaway every 100 people that I get. So when I hit the 700 mark, I'll give a little gift away. When I 800 mark, and so on. And when I get to that 1,000, wait till you guys see what I'm doing for that. It's going to be amazing. So I'm so thrilled, and I'm thrilled that you're here watching this. So the only thing I'm going to ask you to do for this giveaway, because you've already done a lot, you've already shown up, you've already stuck with me, and I really appreciate it. And stuck is a horrible word, but I'm a stick and stay kind of girl, I say. So if I sub to your channel, I'm not unsubbing. I do actually watch it. I sometimes in the doctor's office or somewhere else that I can't watch it all the way through. I still try to watch the first 3 minutes because I don't know where I got this information, but after the first 3 minutes, it counts that you watched it. So I at least try to watch what I can when I can. And a lot of times I get to just let it run, and that's really nice. But anyways, getting back to this, I just want to ask you guys, first I'm going to thank you so much. I really appreciate all your support on my channel, and here is the entry guidelines. Go to my Etsy. So the link's going to be in the description below. There's no purchase necessary. Let me just say that right up front. No purchase necessary. I need you to go to my Etsy though and click follow. And what that does is it just, I can see that you clicked on my Etsy and followed. It's going to let you know when I put something new in there. I'm really trying to incentivize, I don't know how to say that word, myself to, yeah, I have so much to list and I've had so much to list. And I realized that this one estate that we purchased, the whole house, has been a year. I could not believe it. I have so much stuff, and it's just been really difficult for me to get it up on Etsy. But on the other side of that, I always order extra to make packets out of when I order from different countries and Crafty Me Shop and this, that, and the other. So I'm really stoked about doing this. So I'm just giving myself a little push by having you guys go there and do this. So go to the link below in the description box, which is my Etsy. I need you to click on that. And then at the top of the page on my Etsy, it'll say follow shop underneath my picture around that area, left to right. You'll see something that says follow shop. Just click because it tells me that you're following my shop now and come back here and just say done. And that's as simple as it is. And and that's it. Good luck and hit the bell on my YouTube. And the reason why I'm telling you to hit the bell on my YouTube is so that you'll get the notification. Also, it's just like the follow saying, hey, Misty has a video out, and it'll pop up in your like notifications and it doesn't pop up 10,000 times. It'll just sit there. I have a long notifications list because of so many people I follow. But it will allow you to not miss out on the giveaway because the person will have a week to claim the giveaway, and then I'll have to redo the drawing. So now that's out of the way. Let's show what the giveaway is. Again, this is not the big one. This is going to be a pack from my store. And I just actually put this together. So it wasn't even a pack in my store. As a matter of fact, somebody showed one of my packs on their YouTube channel, and it was Grace and Lace. Uh, yes, Grace and Lace journals. And she showed my pack, and I couldn't believe it. I sold out of all my packs I had in there. Which wasn't, tons. I think I had 4 or 5, which was enough. I was so grateful. And then people bought a lot of the ribbons that I purchased when I was in LA. And just, because I bought big spools of these ribbons, and there's so many that I can't even get up there yet. Again, I have so much stuff to list, ladies, but let's go forward. I'm going to quickly go through this and show you what I have here. I'm going to start with this. This is something that I got actually. I bought the bolt from Joann's and they were selling it for $12.99 a yard. And I did get the bolt on clearance, but it was still expensive. And so I sell this in my shop. I don't have tons left because I have sold some and I have used some. And of course, I'm going to keep some for my stash. But this is something I sell for $9.99 a yard now, and or 8.99 or 9.99. One of the two. So, and it's nice and lightweight. You can use it in your journals, but it is real. It's not. I mean, the pearls and diamonds aren't real, of course. I'm not saying that, but I don't know if you've noticed that there's really heavy rhinestones and things like that, and then there's the nice light stone, and this is the in between. And then I did get this, and I only have one, but I'm parting with it because I will end up using it probably as a coaster and ruining it when it could actually be a cute little mini junk journal or something in a page. And then I made this, and I love this, and I came across this, and I said that will look so cute in a pack. So I put it in there, and it's just a little rosette that I made um, out of the paper the streamers. They're streamers. Yeah, that's what I made it out of. And then I just purchased these. I haven't even used this yet. And this is a button. And I just purchased this button and I'm giving one away. This did come from out of the country, but it's so pretty. I don't even know if you guys can see because it's shiny. It might not focus on it. Nope, it's not gonna. It's got these little other tiny beads running up and down here, and they're so pretty. Okay, and then here's just a couple pink buttons to go along with the pink theme. And then we have this gorgeous trim. This is new vintage style trim. I like to say it's actual vintage. So I'm starting to say this now because I feel like there's some confusion. There is material that I have purchased from a house that has been up in the attic and it's nice and crispy and wrapped around, one of those boards. And it feels like it's newer, but it's not. It's actually real vintage. So, anyways, here is a really pretty, shiny brooch. It looks brand new, but we did get it from a house from a woman that was almost 100 years old. And so I don't know. I mean, the house had been sitting for a long time. And so this is one of the things we got from it. And then we have a beautiful little flower, and then we have a nice butterfly. This is another thing I got from that house. I got a handful of these, and so I thought I'd share one with you guys. And this pack is just so pretty. I love these. I love putting this together. This here is not cheap, and I only got a yard of it, so I shared some of it, and I kept some of it. But anyways. This is really super pretty. I think I got this from Esme Mike. I'm not sure. Crafty Me Shop. This is Hobby Lobby. This is the only thing that's Hobby Lobby in here. There's nothing wrong with it, but after you've been crafting for so long, or I've been crafting for so long, I look for things that are different now. Like that's unusual. You should see all the stuff I have. It's just beautiful, and it will be in my upcoming packs. And then I got this. This is so pretty. I love this. This is one I got from Crafty Me Shop too. And I've broken these up. I've used a whole one before, and they are just so pretty. And for pink, you can't go wrong with pink. It's a blush pink. And then here's uh, I think I dyed this. I believe that I dyed these. I love these little things right here. They are really nice to have. I mean, they're all pretty. Everything's pretty, but that's a really nice piece to have. And then I just got these particular flowers in uh, from a shop on Etsy. This one's a little blown up. And you'll see that this one's darker pink than that one. So I don't know if she's actually dyed these. I have no idea. All I know is I bought a bag from her and I'm putting some in this pack. And then I have a couple of these real pretty ones here. Yeah, I have a pink one too. Here we go. And then I have the little bow, one of the little bows. And then these are super special to me. These I bought from somebody who we were raising money for. One of the people we were raising money for in Iran. We were buying their products. And then I found also a lady here in the US that does it. And she also raised money, not Iran, geez, I'm so sorry, Ukraine. Um, Ukraine, wow, that was a big slip, sorry. But anyways, I believe in supporting anybody that we're all God's children, and so I'm gonna get that out of the way because I just will, if I say something a slip like that, I'm gonna let you know where I stand. So sorry if that offends you, but I love everybody. But anyway, so here is, they're so sweet and they're so little, and how cute is that that you can make something actually look like a flower and it's not machine made. And I know I can't get that. Anyways, they're super pretty. And so I bought a lot of from her to support the people in Ukraine. And here is this gorgeous trim, and you get plenty of it. It is so pretty. Okay, there's that one. And then I don't know, I don't think I made this one, but if I did, I did. And then this one I got from somewhere, I don't know. I hate parting with it, but it's so pretty and I've had it for a long time, so who knows when I'd ever use it, but it would be really nice on the bottom of hanging off of a bottom of a journal, every one of the pages. And then look at this gorgeous fabric. I love this. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I would have liked the whole piece. This is still going to be gorgeous on something, but I would have liked the whole piece so I could have covered the whole page, front and back with it. I mean, not the page, but the cover. And you get a really nice piece here with that. And then this one here, um, it's a little stretchy here. And that's just really pretty. A lot of these things are great. The whites are great for dyeing if you like color. And then here's this one. I'm leaving it on the white so you can actually see it. It is so pretty. And the reason why you hear the sticky things, if you saw that, is because I have temporary glue dots on here. They're on the other side though, to hold. This is the side that everything will be laid on once it's packaged, so it doesn't move. But because nobody wants a package, they open it up and everything's sitting on the bottom here. I love presentation. But anyway, so you'll see that this is 8 by 10 paper, and this piece is bigger than 8 by 10 a little bit. And it's worth saying because if I pull it all the way over to one side, then you'll see that it's a good size. All right, anyways, look how gorgeous this is. It's pink ruffles, and they're not too ruffled with those sequins, and it's just adorable, and I love it. And of course, when you layer it, it gets pinker and pink, really pinker. There you go. Now you can really see it good. How gorgeous is that? All right, so don't forget, I didn't show you this. There might be a few pieces that I hope I didn't forget anything because I did this video one time and I had to redo it again. So here's this. This is like a peachy pink. It's really super cute. I love these. Anything that goes like that, I love. All right. So I just want to share this with you guys. Don't forget, go in the description box. And all I'm asking you to do is follow me on Etsy. No purchase required. I don't even have a pack in there right now. I sold out of them yesterday. So, um, yeah, thanks a lot for joining me. And thanks so much for subscribing and staying with me. And you guys have a wonderful, blessed day. You deserve it. Bye bye.